Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. So today I'm going on a little shopping trip. So I'm in the USA today. I hopped over the border and I'm gonna go to the US stores, the ones that we don't get to have. So I'm gonna see if I can find any fun things to give away for my 25,000 subscribers. And yeah, I was gonna take you along so you guys could see, and then I'll show you at the end what I bought. But there is a company that sent me an item, so I have to pick that up at the UPS store. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby first, and then I'm gonna go to Joann's second because Joann's has Wi-Fi, and then I can figure out how to get home. Even though I've been here many times, I still don't know where I'm going. I mean, I know how to get to Joann's and Hobby Lobby, but that's about it. I can't go anywhere else. So the UPS store is somewhere else. So now I have to figure that out. Oh my goodness. Kmart? The big K is gone? I am surprised it lasted this long. We haven't had Kmart in years. I got all kinds of remnants here. See if there's anything good. I know I've had this before, and I liked it for lining, so for $2.16. Sure, why not? And some trims. Oh look, you can buy the books. That's so neat. Huh. Can't help but look at all the cute vinyls they have these days. Minnie Mouse, Hello Kitty, Disney. Oh, look at that one. That's a pretty color. Oh my. This is my section. This one and that one. Not the next one. Joann's! So I found some stuff at the other store, and now I'm going to see what they got here. Brain damage. Look. They're cute little flamingos. Found some music and the sewing machine. They're so cute. Just looking for some stuff to give away. Oh yes, the rulers. Everybody needs a good ruler. But I also don't want it to be too long because I want to be able to send it in not a huge envelope. So we'll see what I come up with. Okay, now I'm going to do my little haul. So the first thing I found was this cupcake holder. It holds 24 or 12, and I will be having a birthday in this weekend for my kids, and it's going to be somewhere else. So for $6.63, I figured I would use it, and you know, it's always handy to have. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I got at Hobby Lobby first, because that's where I went first. And so yeah, not all of it is sewing related, So I'm gonna show you the fabrics first. Okay, so all this is remnants. I didn't get any cuts of fabric. So this is like a green cotton. This was $2.16. I had this already, so I figured I would just get more. And it's great for lining because I don't like to use, you know, the stuff that is actually really pretty. And then I got this one, which is really nice. I got this one, like a small polka dot. And then this one is triangles. So they're between $3 and $4, or yeah, 4, 3, yeah. And then this one was really pretty. I'm not a big yellow person, but I thought it would probably photograph beautifully if I made something out of it. And I got, I don't know, 34 inches. So, okay, so that's the fabric I got from Hobby Lobby. And then the other craft items I got were some bear noses. I did get a bear pattern, so I was thinking about trying to make one time. So I just bought a bunch because they're only $1.99. So they're from Treehouse Studio. I don't know if you can see it, but this one has like the actual nostrils. And then I got this one, which is more of a smooth, just a button nose type of deal. And then I got some big brown eyes. I have lots of eyes already, but I don't have big ones, so I got those ones. And, oh, wait, I got another one. Oh, shoot. I accidentally bought, I have way too many noses now. And yeah. Okay, so then I went and I found the flamingo section. And I got a flamingo spatula, because who doesn't need a flamingo spatula, right? I got a flamingo drying mat, because if you don't already know, I'm obsessed with flamingos. Okay, and then the last thing I got was a gift from my mom, and it is these lobster gloves. I was like, maybe she could use it to get this wouldn't even work. It's just cute. You wouldn't be able to actually get a lobster out of the pot with it. Anyway, so then I went over to Joann's, and I will show you what I bought for myself, and then I'll show you what I bought for the giveaway. So the company is giving me something to give away, and then I will also have another little something from myself for hitting 25,000. Okay, so this, I've never worked with this before. This is called a Pellex Ultra Firm Sew-In Stabilizer. So it is, I got like 2.5 yards almost. I just took the rest of the bolt. But yeah, so I'm excited to try out this and make some stiff projects. I got myself an acrylic ruler, just a new one. It's pink. Mine's just kind of gross. So, especially in the videos, so I wanted to get a nice new one. I have a really thick one, but I like to have the thin one, just because it's smaller. And then my fabrics. So they had 60% off of your muslin purchase. So I got some muslin. I got 3 yards of this. So it's $3.99 with 60% off. So that's a pretty good deal. And then I was in the clearance section and I found this chevron. This was $9.99 with 60% off, so that's a really good deal. So it's like $3.99. So these canvases are all $3.99. Got this really cute one, popsicles. And then I got another chevron. This one actually feels stiffer, which you will see in a tutorial soon. That should be my next one. And then I got some cotton fabrics. I got this one that has all kinds of just music stuff, flats and sharps and whole notes and half notes and treble clefs and bass clefs. So cute. My kids are in piano, so. And then I got this one, which I just had to get. I don't know what for, but look at this. How cute. A stitch in time, and just like the little, oh, that's upside down. I love that. So I don't know what I'm gonna make with it, but whatever it is, it'll be for me. Okay, I'll show you the little giveaway that I am going to be giving. So because I'm in Canada and a lot of my subscribers are from the US, I don't know who's gonna win this, but I didn't want to make the package too big, if that makes sense. So I just picked up this really cute rotary cutter. Like, how cute is that? You know those Swell bottles? That's what it reminds me of. Like, they're really getting funky with all their designs and stuff. And this one is just like beautiful. So this is a 45mm Fiskars rotary cutter. And then with that, I got an Omni Grip ruler. It's 2.5 inches wide by 12.5 inches long. So I just thought this would be a cute little, that's a good little set. This one is really great because it shows you that 1/4 inch increments, and I always work in 1/4 inch, and I always need to, you know, see what I'm doing. So, and it's a good quilting ruler too. Omni Grip makes really great quilting stuff. So that is one giveaway. Okay, so that is all that I got at Joann's, and I'm just gonna show you what I got at Dollar Tree because I went there, and why not? The Dollar Tree over there obviously is way better than the Dollar Tree here, so there's that. Alright, so I got this for my daughter's birthday coming up. Some unicorn plates, unicorn napkins. They don't have these in Canada. I just got red, and because it's gonna be a joint party, half Mario, half unicorn. So I got that for the boys' table. I got a small one of these. I got a bottle of Mod Podge because I always need it, and it's like $3 in Canada, and it's $1 in the US, which I don't get it. I got this table topper for my daughter's friend's table. Basically like girls and boys, you know. I got these Lisa Frank stickers, so I was gonna take one sheet each and then put them in the goodie bag, so I'm starting to do goodie bag stuff. I got, this is a photo prop, so I thought it really fun to have a backdrop, which I'll show you. And then, so this is the backdrop, so it's generic. I didn't want to make, so that the boys and the girls could use it. And then I have the boy version with the girl version, and then they can just like take pictures and have fun. Because we will be at the YMCA and we're gonna have a party room. So yeah, if you're interested in this at all. And then I just got this composition book because it was cute. Like, how cute is that? Like, this would be like $5.99 in Canada, guaranteed. Something like this. It's just a regular composition notebook. $5.99, yeah, $1. And then with the exchange, it's still less than our Dollar Tree here, because Dollar Tree here is $1.25. So, yeah, awesome. So now I'm gonna open up the giveaway. Oh man. Okay. Here it is. It's a vacuum cleaner. Bagless sponge, 5 meters cord, easy storage, 2-in-1, upright handle. So they gave me one, and I'm gonna give one to my subscribers. Also a blender, which is pretty neat. So look out for that giveaway if you would like to win one of those. I mean, if you already have one, you could just keep this one in your craft room, which is what I plan to do. Oh, and I forgot one more thing. How cute. Embrace your inner flamingo. So I'm just gonna stick that in my bathroom because I'm slowly making my bathroom a flamingo bathroom, and I don't know if my husband has noticed this, but I have flamingo hooks I got from Hobby Lobby, a flamingo picture. So I'm just gonna, you know, keep adding things, and then eventually it'll just be like flamingo. Anyways, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog haul, all of it. I know I didn't film too much, but yeah, so look out for that giveaway, which is coming hopefully tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.